All right, friends. So now that you have researched 3 animals, and during your research, you can always refer back to your website of the animals that you were learning about and use things that you read, even if you don't have it written on your slides, that like from slides 1, 2, or 3. If you have to go back to use information from the website, that is perfectly fine. But what you're going to do on the next slides, I have given you 3 slides. Okay, if you need more, insert a new slide. If you don't need them all, don't worry about it. On the next slides, you are going to take the research from your 3 animals that you studied, and you are going to turn that into a research paragraph. Your goal of this paragraph is to make me want to visit the zoo. So just like with your country reports, your goal was to make me want to visit your country. With this, your goal is to make me want to visit the zoo. So your paragraph should include an introduction topic sentence. We've done a lot of work with topic sentences. You should have, remember those topic sentences like you did for your intro, of your research on your country report. So think about it that way. Then you should have 5 to 7 or more sentences describing the animals you learned about and including reasons why I should visit the zoo. Then you should end your paragraph with a closing and like a final plea or a final hook that would get me to visit the San Diego Zoo. Your paragraph should have a proper paragraph structure, capitalization, and grammar. This will be due tomorrow, April 24th by 4 p.m. So if you don't finish it today, remember we have about 30 minutes, so that would think about 10 minutes per animal. So that takes about 30 minutes, and then you have about 30 minutes tomorrow to work on this paragraph. This paragraph should be a really great 4th grade paragraph. So that's why I have it due tomorrow, Friday, April 24th by 4 p.m. Okay? So just make sure it has a nice paragraph. Make sure it is properly structured and that it really persuades me to come visit the zoo. And always, I'm looking for good description and using your research to help convince me to visit the zoo. Have fun, and I hope you had a great time on your field trip.